December 2023. Apple announced the next generation watch Series 9 in September, and it's probably the most minor update Apple has ever released. I get it that Apple is not expecting users to upgrade their device every year, but when the product highlights are the smartwatch carbon naturally and the double tap gesture. It almost feels like Apple is selling an old model as new. When I got the Apple Watch, I was at first amazed by its design, UI, and functionality. Overwhelmed even. Everything looked so shiny, smooth, and colorful, like touched by Apple's provable magic. But once I got past the honeymoon phase, I realized the user's experience was superb. The watch's icon functionality is scattered across many apps with poor implementation of features and shares abundance of supposedly smart functions. And that before I get to the abysmal battery life. The Apple Watch Series 9, in my experience, is nothing more than a glamming price of junk. Let me tell you why. Design and build. But first, let's have a look at the hardware you will be strapping on your wrist. That faced is really something to behold. Apple has been known for its hardware craftsmanship, and the Apple Watch is a fine specimen. The watch is available in two sizes, 41 mm and 45 mm, and you start by picking one of the two models. Then you choose between a aluminium and stainless steel version. Then you select the band bundle. And finally, you choose between GPS or GPS Plus eSIM capabilities. I have the Apple Watch Series 9 45 mm aluminum with GPS, the black one of with sport look textile band, and even it is one of the cheapest options on the menu. It still feels quite luxurious. The nearly bezel-less screen is an immediate standout. Plus, its Retina 326 ppi is quite sharp for a smartwatch. The screen is covered with slightly curved tempered glass. The frame is either made of aluminum with a matte finish, pictured of stainless steel with a glossy finish. The speaker is on its left side, while the digital crown and the side button are on the right side. You can swap the watch orientation, of course. The digital crown has been a signature control on these watches, and it works flawlessly. And the haptic backband is some of the best I've experienced. In fact, this goes to the entire haptic feedback on the watch. The bottom of the watch is a combination of ceramic and sapphire crystal glass, and it contains all sensors. I got the sport lobe band, which felt a bit cheap at first, but I can only evaluate its durability. Apple has indeed credited something that least. It has been through a whole lot, and yet 2 months later it looks like new. The Apple Watch Series 9 is water and dust proof, swim proof to overall. It offers a solid build and unique design, and we can agree its flagship grade and well